Same question lang naman. Pakilala lang kayo, and kung may gusto kayong promote na social media pages, we have our vloggers here that can also promote you. Kung meron kayong TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Threads na pala kayo, wala na yung Twitter or X, ayan. Lately ko lang nalaman, i-promote na natin, brother. Alright, hang number 1, take it away.
Alden Castro, 25, Maynila. FB, IG, TikTok, Alden Darwin Castro.
Okay, copy.
Short but sweet, nakalala-lalaki. Ano ulit? Alden Darwin Castro on both of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Yan. Grabe. Padamihan pa natin ang followers ni Alden. Let's follow him on his social media pages. Thank you very much and congratulations. Ngayon pa lang, hump number 1. Let's move on to hump number 2.
Hi guys, ako po si Ariel Piara, 26 years old. Guys, aka Max Boys Agi. Guys, hinahayaan ko po kayo manood ngayong October 18, 8 p.m. sa Viva Cafe. Ako po ang isa sa mga Max Boys. Search nyo lang po sa IG, TikTok, and Facebook. Then, meron po kami sa Family Feud, panoorin nyo po kami ngayong Sabado or Linggo ba yun? Yun po. Kami po ang Max Boys. Salamat po.
Alright, we have one for Max Boys here. Of course, Ariel. Ariel, ayan. Pasensya lang si Kuya, medyo may edad. At 10 years from your age, brother. Yan ang edad ko natin ngayon. He is part, of course, of Max Boys. And that's a family feud siya. Sabado o Linggo. But of course, may replays yan on YouTube as well. Supportahan natin. And he will be also be in Viva Cafe on October 18. 8 p.m. gabi. Supportahan natin si Ariel. Yan. Maraming salamat. Now let's move on to hump number 3.
Lucas Garcia, 22 from Kalimit, Bulacan. Follow my FB page and TikTok. Lucas Garcia.
Alright, brother. Medyo kinakababala si Lucas. Let's follow him on his social media pages. That is Lucas Garcia. Alright, there we go. Alam niyo, malaking tulong talaga yan. Alam niyo yan, ni brother yan. Yung currency talaga ngayon, it's followers talaga. So the more followers you get, the more brands, exposure, of course. At syempre, mas maraming pang trabaho na may bibigay. Let's move on to hump number 124.
Sorry Palermo, 24, Pasig. Sorry Palermo, follow FB, TikTok, at saka Twitter.
Ronnie, matino mo. Sabi, mabagal lang mahina pa yung pandinig. Pagtindi na nito, no? Nabalata itong nangyayari sa Ronnie Palermo. You just type in on his Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Yan. Alam nyo, nakakatawa talaga. Gusto masukin yung TikTok. Hindi ko alam kung paano nga ba. Hopefully, you guys will also teach me somehow, someday, kung paano ba natin ma-infiltrate. Here we go. Hump number 5.
Joe Marini lang po, 25, Bulacan po. 8D, same lang ng name ko po. Joe Marilina, Lambuna.
Here we go. You can follow him, Jomari Lina, on his Facebook page. If you guys want to know more about Jomari, I'm pretty much sure may mga tips si Jomari sa Facebook niya kung paano ba mas maging hump. Katulad ng ating mga humps dito. So follow him, guys. Jomari Lina. Let's move on to hump number 6.
MJ ako yan po. Papalo po ulit ko sa bagong kong gawang FB kasi yung FB ko po na MJ na-restrict ko. MJ ako yan po.
Alright. So sobrang dami ng followers siguro ni MJ. Na-restrict na yung account niya. Sabihin na natin, i-follow natin ulit si MJ. Let's, of course, let's know what his updates at kung ano yung ginagawa ni MJ. That's MJ Hakuya on his Facebook page. Ayan. Now let's move on to hump number 7.
I'm Matthew Stinyo, Bandaan, Manila, 28 years old. My TikTok, Mr. Style. Nakikita nyo lang doon kung paano mag-work.
So ipa-follow ko yan, si Mr. Strife. Diba? On his TikTok account. Para makita natin kung paano ba maging, yan yung mga katawan natin, di ba? Hindi maging ganito. By the way, habang kumakain kayo, kumakain ako ng French fries talaga. Para hindi magandang ehemplo para ma-achieve ang ganyang pangatawan. So kung gusto natin guys, maging fit, maging healthy, at maging hot tayo. Kahit Pasko, di ba? I-follow natin si Mr. Strife sa kanyang TikTok. And last but not least, brother, take it away.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Risigido. I'm 28 years old from Muntalban, Design. Please follow my Facebook account, John Risigido. Thank you.
Alright. Follow nyo kayang TikTok account, Jano Sigia. Yan. Maraming salamat to all our hosts. Palawanan rin natin! Ladies and gentlemen, all 8 of our hosts. And of course, to all our audience members, thank you so much for staying. Diba? I know it's kinda late because we have so many things that we want to celebrate today. And we are launching today as well. Once again, we had the wall lighting. Nakita natin when si Whitney. Diba? Nakita natin kanina si Mariah Carey. Napakilala sa atin si Lando Pong, di ba? And of course, meron tayo Miss Universe.